Welcome back, y'all. We are finally getting back with this Toyota Camry 2009. You know what I'm saying? Salvage title. I'm about to see about getting this thing rebuilt. But first things first, we're gonna actually do some rebuilding here. I got a fender here that I want to replace. So you can see I got the car kind of elevated because give me a little bit of room to work there in the wheel well. We're gonna essentially replace that quarter fender. I'm gonna take this bumper off. I've got another one that I'm gonna put on here, and we're gonna see about getting this thing inspected. Another thing, while I got this thing jacked up, what I plan on doing here is rotating the tires because I'm getting a little bit of vibration on this front end, especially on this side. I'm thinking that that wheel might have got a little impacted during that fender bender there, so it's kind of got the wheel a little wobbly is what I'm guessing. So we're gonna rotate the tires and see if that vibration goes away. It only does it at high speeds, maybe above like 60. So that's the plan. Yeah, so touch bases, back bases on Toyota Camry. This is what we got going on today, y'all. Essentially been doing a little waxing and waning. Got the Phantom coupe cleaned up the floor mats for the Silverado. Yeah, nice, lovely weather. So definitely getting out here and taking advantage of the sunlight. But it's another day in the neighborhood, as they say, and we working. We do have the Lexus that we do need to pick up back on eventually, but we are focusing on one project at a time. We'll get to this one next, so stay tuned for that, guy. More content on the way. Yeah. Check it out, y'all. The Camry is all put back together, looking like a whole nother car. You know, bumper came back together quite nicely, I would say. It's got a little blemish there. Barely noticeable though. So essentially all that's left now, get these scuff marks off, which I should be able to get most of it off, the black anyway. And then all these little paint marks, I'm gonna have to get this stuff wiped off. Pretty much just need to get it washed. And this car for the most part should be ready. Got our right mirror replaced. Does got like a little bit of a damage here from, I guess, the previous car that it was on, but you know, that looks way better. I got another bumper, but it was slightly different from this bumper, so it wouldn't fit. I believe the one that I got was from an older model, so I couldn't get it to go on there all the way snug. So I ended up having to just make do with the old one. And as you can see, it came together quite nicely. Like the grill was able to pop back in place. The underneath, like the cover for the bottom, I was able to get it all put back intact and everything. So I'm gonna say that car is ready for inspection. It's gonna be the next step for it, as far as I'm concerned. So we're done with that one. Just gotta get it cleaned up, but ready for inspection at this point.